Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today, we will talk about learning English in an easy way. Do not worry. Do not feel afraid. English is not difficult. You just need the right method and daily practice. Many people think English is hard, but the truth is very simple. English becomes hard when we fear mistakes. English becomes easy when we enjoy learning. Why do we learn English? We learn English to communicate. We learn English to share our thoughts. We learn English to connect with the world. English helps us in jobs. English helps us in travel. And English helps us in confidence. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. Simple English is powerful. Remove fear first. Fear is the biggest problem. Fear stops you from speaking. Fear makes your mind blank. Remember one thing: mistakes are part of learning. When a child learns to walk, he falls many times, but he never stops. In the same way, when you learn English, you will make mistakes, and that is okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. Every mistake makes you better. Think in English. Many learners translate in their mind, and this makes speaking slow. Translation creates fear and delay. Start thinking in English. For example, instead of thinking, "What is this in my language?" ask yourself, "What is this in English?" This habit saves time while speaking, and your confidence grows slowly. Talk to yourself in English. This is called self-talk. Self-talk is a powerful learning tool. Say simple lines like, "I am waking up," "I am brushing my teeth," and "I am going to work." Use English in your daily routine. Daily life is your best classroom. This small habit helps a lot. Listen every day. Listening is very important. Good listening makes good speaking. Listening trains your ears and mind. Listen to simple English videos, short stories, and easy conversations. Choose content that you enjoy. Do not try to understand every word. Just listen and feel the language. Relax and enjoy the sound of English. Slowly, your brain will learn the pattern. Repeat and speak. After listening, repeat the sentences. Pause the video and say the line again. Speaking aloud builds confidence faster. At first, your voice may shake, and your pronunciation may not be perfect. Everyone starts the same way, but day by day, you will improve. Speak slowly and speak clearly. Do not hurry. Fluency comes with time and patience. Learn daily words. Do not learn many words in one day. Learn 5 new words daily. Small learning is easy to remember. Use them in sentences. For example, word, happy. Sentence, I feel happy today. Using words makes them strong in memory. Simple practice gives big results. Practice every day. English needs daily practice. Even 10 minutes is enough. Short practice is better than no practice, but practice every day. No break, no excuse. Consistency is the key. Be patient with yourself. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your journey is unique. You are doing great. Believe in yourself. One day you will speak English confidently. Final motivation. Remember this: English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Speak more, fear less, and enjoy learning. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.